guys are blocking my driveway again. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to play a little game called Rice or Nice. Today I'm installing billet aluminum racing pedals from Sullivan Racing. Here's the part numbers here. And I ordered these in a matte finish just so they're not so bling bling. Comes with the hardware. Here's the dead pedal. It's supposed to add a little bit of extra grip on these pedals. There's your gas pedal. And also the clutch and a brake pedal. Now these are going to require me to drill into my existing pedals, but that's going to really lock them down into place to where they don't move at all. Now I will admit that this mod does fall into that category of you're either going to love it or you're going to hate it. Now I think a lot of that has to do with past experiences, and I've owned a few cars that came with aluminum pedals from the factory, and I always thought it was a great touch for the interior. It really made it look really nice. I'm gonna give these a try and just see if it cleans up the interior a little bit, and hope you think the same. Alright, so these are the factory pedals. Now, if you've noticed that yours have kind of bald spots or missing or just torn to bits, you can get replacement rubber to put on these, and they cost maybe $5 each, which isn't too bad. But what you're supposed to do is just peel these off. They pry off. Just like this. There we go. Okay. So there is the factory pedal, and same for this one. Let me see. There is no cover for this. This is just plastic, so you drill straight into this. There you go. These are the factory pads. You see they're just kind of held on by surrounding the pedal. That's really all it is. This kit does come with a set of instructions, and really the main thing that you're going to get out of this is the size drill bits to use. Other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to start with the dead pedal first. I think that's probably the easier one. And it says just to line it up and mark the holes. And it says you can drill a pilot hole or just drill straight into the plastic. Alright, so the dead pedal is the only pedal of the 4 pedals that has the self-tapping screws. There's only 3 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and just put these in. Alright, moving on to the clutch and brake pedals. Here's the new cover. You basically see it's got a curved face to it, and so does the pedal. So you just kind of want to follow the curve. Let's see. Until the holes look like they would be flush with the pedal. I'm going to take my Sharpie and mark my holes here. There's 3 on this one as well. Here, here, here. So now we just bolt these on. this is the finished product. So it's a satin finish, and let me get in the car here. That's what they look like. They are slightly textured, so actually feels pretty good. So I just went on a test drive, and my initial response is that I really like it. The pedals are a little bit wider than the factory pedals, so doing the heel toe rev matching is a lot easier, and it's a lot firmer because it's a solid metal plate that your foot is touching. I guess I didn't realize how spongy the factory rubber covers were, but this actually does feel more like a race car, so I highly recommend pedal covers like this. It totally transforms the feel of the pedals, really. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this project. Rice or nice? So I have to admit, the job was a lot more difficult than I first anticipated that it would be. The real challenge was just drilling through those factory metal pedals and lining up all 3 holes on the clutch and brake pedal. It's pretty difficult. If I was to do this over again, I would recommend getting a silver Sharpie pen to mark your holes, and maybe even a punch to, you know, start the hole for your drill bit, just so it doesn't slide around. But overall, it wasn't a difficult job. It was just more challenging than I thought it would first be. And if you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, also leave in the comments below why you didn't like the video so I can try to improve. And if you want to see more like this, because I do have more things I'm putting on the car in the near future, you're going to have to subscribe. Take care.